Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by collecting the assets you need: a crisp BMW photo or a short MP4 clip and any logo PNGs. Install KLWP on your phone because it gives precise layering and animation controls. That's why we use it. Once installed, open a new preset and import your background image or video clip. Import keeps quality high and avoids scaling artifacts. Make sure to name layers clearly so you can animate and mask. Now you build the scene by adding separate layers: background, mid-accents, and the BMW logo or vignette. You'll want to set parallax on the background so home screen swipes create subtle motion. That's how it feels live. Use a mask on the logo layer to create a cutout or soft edge, then add easing to opacity and scale keyframes to give a breathing effect. Once done, preview and tweak timing until movement looks natural rather than mechanical. Finish by saving the preset and applying KLWP as your live wallpaper so you can test it live on all home screens. If performance dips, reduce animation frame rate or compress the video slightly to balance quality with smoothness. Optimization prevents battery drain and lag. Make sure to export a backup preset in case you want to reuse settings. If things go wrong, clear KLWP cache or temporarily disable complex shaders to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.